Kasi ako, I was an adult content creator, but I was never an alter kasi. So
Mm.
parang tulad ng sabi niya na parang meron siyang separate life, 'di ba?
Mm.
Sabi niya separate life. It was never that case for me. Parang I was like very open about it from the start na it was me. Tapos hindi siya kasi pag alter account parang it came from the word alter ego, 'di ba? So
Oo.
supposedly parang separate siya sa identity mo. And it
Mm.
was never like that for me. I've always been very open about it. So ako in my case, pag nagde-date ako, parang right from the start, most of the people na nakikilala ko is alam na nila, so aware na sila. So parang na-break na agad yung ice na yon. So parang ang dating sa akin is hindi naman ako kausapin ito kung hindi niya alam and kung hindi okay sa kanya. So parang hindi na masyadong napag-uusapan. Parang in my case, mas napag-uusapan is kung i-stop. May mga dinate ako na gusto nila ako ipa-stop,
Hmm.
gano'n.